Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can chat with the YouTube chat support team. It's very much simple and easy. So to get access to this feature you need to be monetized or you need to be a creator on YouTube. But then if you're not a creator on YouTube, they have a lot of links that will be useful for you. Articles that you can read and use it to solve your problems you find on YouTube. But then for creators, you just need to hop on your YouTube studio like this. So this is my studio here. So on here, you just tap on this. You can see chat here. So tap on it like this. Good. So it's loading. So just a second, you need to select your the problem you are facing. So let's say YouTube policies, monetizing my channel or something else. So let me choose something else, something like that. So I need to wait for a second here. So here I'll be able to chat with them one-on-one. You can see I'm in a queue, which is 1. I'm going to wait for them to send me a hi for you guys to see how it goes with them. I think it's taking a lot of time. Good. So someone just joined. So you can see, hi, my name is this. So I reply with hi. I'm good. You get it? So the person is going to reply and ask me what my problem is. Good. Then I'll go on to tell them my problem here. If I have any link I need to add, I'll just need to add it like that. A file, a picture, a screenshot or anything. You get it? So here I need to enter my my problem. Let's say I don't even have any problem in mind. I don't have any problem in mind. So that's it for the video. I don't have any problem in mind. But if you have a problem, you can go on and then tell them. So that's it for the video once again. I had to plan before I make this video. Sorry.